What's going on, guys? It's been a few months, but I'm finally back, and today we'll be taking a look at the newly released Nike SB Dunk Low in collaboration with Sean Cliver. When I first saw leaked images of these, I knew this was going to be a crazy pair which I needed to have. I ended up entering a couple of local skate shops raffles for these, not really expecting to win anything, and ended up being lucky enough to win a pair of these in my size. Now these come in the rainbow Nike SB box, which we have been seeing on most of the big Nike SB releases recently. And the retail price for these was 160 Australian dollars or 110 US dollars. Inside the box we have the regular Nike SB Dunk paper, and behind that we have the shoes. At first glance, these are just such a clean pair of dunks. In my opinion, up there with the best dunks released this year. This is the second collaboration with Sean Cliver, the owner of Fast Times Skateboards, which Nike SB has done this year. The first collaboration being for the StangeLove Nike SB Dunk Lows, which released in February this year, which are now going crazy in resale prices. Now let's take a closer look at the shoe. The first thing I noticed when I got this shoe in hand is that they really didn't cheap out on the quality. The quality is really nice, with a nice suede and tumbled leather throughout the entire up of the shoe. The gold hits on the swoosh and the heel really give the shoe a premium look, contrasting well with the neutral winter tones throughout the rest of the shoe. And to add to the Christmas or holiday theme, they added a snowflake on the toe instead of the regular toe box holes, which in my opinion is a really cool touch. It's pretty subtle, but if you see it, then you see it, and it looks really nice. They come with the regular Nike SB Dunk tongue, and it is made out of the same suede which is seen throughout the upper. And on the Nike SB logo, underneath it, it says Cliver. They also come with spare laces as opposed to the factory silver laces. They have white and gold. Honestly, I think any of these colors would look really good on the shoe. The insoles are super cool as well. On the right shoe, it says Sean Cliver and Nike SB. And on the left shoe, it has a picture of a little elf and like a graphic inside. I think that's just a really cool touch. You can't see it when you're wearing it, but it's just a cool touch that they added. The midsoles are white with gold hits in the stitching, and the outsoles, I'll let them speak for themselves. So nice. Overall, if you get the chance to cop these for retail, I would definitely recommend doing that. Whether you like it or not, you can always resell it. It's going for crazy prices right now. And for resale, on the other hand, we'll talk about that right now. Resale currently is sitting at around 900 to 950 Australian dollars. Now, in my opinion, that's a little high. I reckon in about a week or two, the hype will die down a little bit and the resale price will go down a bit. So I would recommend buying for resale in about a week or two when the price goes down a little, because in the longer term, I believe these are going to go up in price. I think after all the quick flipping resellers get rid of their pairs quick before Christmas, the price on these will start slowly creeping up throughout next year. Overall, this is such a clean pair of dunks, and I really couldn't have thought of a better way for Nike to end the year of dunk releases with a nice holiday themed dunk like this. Let me know your thoughts on these in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed, please leave a like on this video and consider subscribing. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a great Christmas if I don't see you guys before then. And yeah, peace.